Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix application crashes on Motorola Moto G87. So, if some application is crashing on your device instead of launching, then the first solution would be restarting your smartphone in order to clear the temporary memory of your device and try to relaunch your application once again. After the restart, try opening the application and see if it's working right now. And if it's still crashing, then what you can do is go to Settings, then scroll down to Apps, select the application that you were trying to launch, go to All Apps list and find the app. Now, try to force stop the application. If after the force start your app still isn't launching, then try clearing cache and storage. So go back to the app's settings, go to storage and cache, clear storage, then relaunch your app. And if it's not helping, then try finding your application on Google Play Store. So let's go to the Google folder in the apps menu and let's find the Play Store in here. For some reason I don't see it here. Okay. Now after going to the Google Play Store, you're gonna have to basically find the applications page and see if it requires an update. And if it does, just install the update. And if the update doesn't help you, then you can simply reinstall the app by holding your finger down on the applications icon. And oh no, unfortunately we cannot do it here. So we're gonna have to go back to Settings and select Uninstall in here. Then wait until the app is uninstalled, re-enter the Google Play Store and reinstall the application once again. And after that, try relaunching it and the problem should be gone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.